Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this interpretation. So we have the formula in here. So I will put this one go here and this one go here. Now we can simplify and we got about e to the power of negative s. So number 12 multiplied by negative s and this one we divide by e to the power of s. This one we have negative 13s, and now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.